In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS in Hostinger. This simple tutorial is perfect for those who are just getting started with website management or who need a quick refresher on managing their DNS settings within Hostinger's platform. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in and on the dashboard, your first point of action is to navigate over to the domains section. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the domains you have registered with Hostinger. Find the specific domain where you want to modify or add DNS records and click on the Manage button next to it. This step is crucial because it directs you to the control panel for that particular domain, allowing you to make necessary adjustments or updates. Now that you're in the domain management area, what you want to do next is look for the DNS or name servers tab. Click on this and it will open up the section where you can view, add, or modify your DNS records. This section is vital since DNS, or domain name system, essentially keeps the internet functioning optimally by linking domain names to IP addresses. Let's focus on how to add a DNS record. In this DNS management area, you'll see an option for the type of DNS record you wish to add. Typically, you might choose from types such as A, CNAME, or MX, among others. For instance, if you're pointing your domain to a web server, you might use an A record. Make sure you pick the correct type of domain based on your specific needs. Following that, you need to enter key pieces of information. Start with the name field, which usually refers to the host name you're adding or modifying. It can just be your base domain or a subdomain you're setting up. Next, you'll input the target or the destination value. This could be an IP address or another domain name, depending on the record type you chose earlier. For example, if you selected a CNAME record, this part would point to the domain you want to redirect traffic to. After entering these details, don't overlook the TTL, which stands for time to live. It dictates how long your DNS record is cached by resolving servers and should be set depending upon how frequently you expect to change these records. A lower TTL ensures changes propagate quickly but can increase the burden on your server. A higher TTL is slower to update but easier on resources. Finally, ensure that all your inputs are correct and then press Add Record. If done correctly, the new DNS record should appear in the list and it will propagate within minutes to a few hours depending on DNS caching policies. And there you have it, a simple and clear guide on adding DNS records in Hostinger. Stay tuned for tips on optimizing these settings further. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.